Hey everyone, today I'm bringing you a quick story about something that happened last Friday when my brother rolled up with his new 1993 Peugeot 309. Now, I say new, but we're talking about the 30-year-old French classic here. He bought this beauty recently and asked me to help him out. One of his main complaints? The brakes felt soft and didn't have the stopping power he wanted. Pretty important issue, right? I immediately suspected the brake fluid needed changing, but I had no idea what was hiding in those brake lines. Stick around until the end where I'll show you a shocking comparison of what came out versus fresh fluid. I'll also have a full service video that will show up in the end of this video if you want to do it yourself. For those who don't know, brake fluid should be changed every 2 years because it absorbs moisture over time. This reduces its effectiveness and can damage your braking system from the inside. But judging by what I found in this Peugeot, I'm guessing the previous owner missed that memo by about a couple of years. I started with the right rear wheel, opening the bleeder valve to drain the old fluid. Then I moved to the left rear wheel, which is what you can see right now. Check this out, that dark disgusting fluid you're seeing, that's supposed to be clean yellowish brake fluid, but that's not even the worst part. You can also see little chunks coming out with the air bubbles. That's actual debris floating around in the brake system. No wonder the brakes felt terrible.
שקרפס, כי בא לי לפרק את כל הפתמה. תן! הרגשתי את זה. תן!
After bleeding the front caliper, I went back to the rear wheels for a second round, draining about 150 milliliters from each wheel. The fluid that came out during this second pass started looking better, and eventually this is what we want to see: clear yellow fluid, just like it's supposed to be when it's fresh from the bottle. Now let's look at the comparison I promised you. Here we have the fluid collected from the system during the first bleeding. Look at how dark and muddy it is. In this cup you can see what came out during the second round of bleeding. Still not great, but getting better. And finally, this is the new fluid that's now coming through the system. Much clearer and yellowish as it should be. But there is more than just the color difference. The old fluid is thinner because it absorbs water over time. It's also full of contaminants and debris that you definitely don't want in your brake system. Here's the dangerous part. Brake fluid naturally absorbs water over time. The more water the fluid absorbs, the lower its boiling point gets. In extreme situation, this can cause the fluid to boil under heavy braking, creating vapor in your lines and potentially leading to complete brake failure. A literal life-threatening situation. If you can't remember last time your brake fluid was changed, it might be time to check it out, especially if your brake pedal feels spongy or your stopping power isn't what it should be. Don't forget to check out the video I told you about where I cover brake fluid changes in detail along with other essential maintenance tasks. It is showing on the screen right now. Have you ever found something this nasty in your car system? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you find this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to watch more videos in the future.